Hey there, fellow savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday hacks to make your life easier and your wallet happier. Today, we're tackling something timely and practical: how to use Stop and Shop gas points at Shell in 2025. If you're a Stop and Shop shopper, you know their rewards program is a game changer, especially with gas prices on the rise. These gas points let you earn rewards on groceries and redeem them for discounts at Shell stations, saving you money without the hassle. First off, let's quickly cover what Stop and Shop gas points are. It's a loyalty program where you earn points on eligible purchases at Stop and Shop stores. For every dollar you spend, you rack up points that translate to cents off per gallon at participating Shell locations. Heading into 2025, the program has some cool updates, like easier digital integration and more flexible redemption options, so it's more user-friendly than ever. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Make sure you're enrolled in the Stop and Shop Rewards program. Download the Stop and Shop app or sign up via their website. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, link your account to Shell if prompted. This syncs your points seamlessly. Step 2. Check your points balance in the app before heading out. Aim to have at least 100 points, which typically equals 10 cents off per gallon. In 2025, you might see new features like real-time updates or bonus point events, so keep an eye on that. Step 3. When you're at a Shell station, start by selecting your pump. Then, either scan the QR code in the Stop and Shop app at the pump or enter your registered phone number on the keypad. Confirm your redemption. Boom, your points are applied automatically. For example, if you have 200 points, that's 20 cents off per gallon on your fill-up. A few quick tips to maximize this. Always use your Stop and Shop card or app for purchases to earn points faster. Watch for promotions in 2025 that might double points on certain days. And if you run into issues, like points not loading, double-check your account linkage or contact customer support through the app. There you have it. Using Stop and Shop gas points at Shell is straightforward and saves you cash. Give it a try on your next trip and let us know in the comments how much you saved. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.